Okay, so now in this part we will study about some properties related to ellipse. So the first one is diameter of ellipse. Okay, so first you have to understand what is diameter. Okay, so you know that the definition of diameter is like it is locus of midpoints of uh, like so many parallel chords. Okay, so like I'll write down the definition. Diameter of a conic is the locus of midpoint. Okay, middle point of the series of its parallel chords. Okay, so what we have to do, like we will imagine a point P as h comma k. Okay, now what we will do, we will apply this situation. We will write t equals s1. What is this? It is equation of chord if midpoint is given. Okay, now in that question what they will do, they will give you the slope of the parallel chords. Okay, so now you can compare here. Okay, slope of parallel chords will be given and you have to compare the slope of this thing. Is it okay? Now we have another property which is related to reflection. Okay, so this thing is like, suppose you have an ellipse. Okay, so what will happen? Like ray of light will pass. Suppose it is foci. Wait, I'll adjust little bit. Now look at this. Suppose that it is foci. So if you have a ray of light passing through foci, okay, so after striking, it will pass through the foci, the next foci. Is it okay? Now suppose that like a ray of light can come from outside as well. So suppose that if you will have a light which is passing from, like coming from outside, so it will come, strike, and it will like reflect back. Okay, so what will happen? It will pass through this situation. Okay, and the angle of this after reflection, it will move in such a way so that it will get connected with this situation. Okay, so this line is the reflected ray, this line is incident ray. I hope now you guys are comfortable with diameter of an ellipse and the reflection property used in ellipse. So who is diameter? Diameter is a locus of middle points of series of its parallel chords. Okay, also if we will have a ray of light passing through any foci of an ellipse, after reflecting, it will pass through the next foci. Okay, and if a ray of light coming from outside, after striking the reflecting surface, it will move in such a way that the incident ray will pass through one foci and reflected ray will appear to pass through second foci. I hope the idea is clear.